per person over 7 days, it is a great savings. Lindsay! Hey y'all, it's me, Jeff, and thank you so much for tuning in today. I am going to give you my 5 reasons why you should book a Cove balcony the next time you cruise on a Carnival cruise ship. Now, I've been on about, I think, 7 of the different Carnival cruise ships, and I've had all types of rooms, inside room, outside room, balconies, suites, but by far the best room that I've ever sailed in, and that's not only on Carnival, but on any cruise ship, has been the Cove balcony. And for those of you who have sailed on in a Cove balcony, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It is a unique experience, and safe to say that unless you have booked the Cove balcony and have cruised in one for 7 days, you have not experienced cruising like like it was meant to be. So, reason number one, the price. Now, believe it or not, for such a great balcony cabin, the price is really affordable. And on the balcony cabins, the Cove balcony is the least expensive of them all, except I think the sail away balcony may be a little bit less. But price, good point for selling on that. Number two is the sunrises and sunsets. And I know people are going to say, oh, I love the 10th floor, I love the 8th floor, or I like being on the deck and looking at the sunrise or sunset. But I'm telling you, the one thing that is missing from all of those floors is the intimacy of watching a sunset and a sunrise from the Cove balcony. And when I mean intimacy is whenever you're on another deck, you look down, there's rooms. You look to the left, you look to the right, you can see people and so forth like that. The Cove balcony, only thing that's below you is the water line. You can hear the soft hum of the water going by, and you just sit there. There's nothing above you, and you're just watching the sunset. It's like your own little picture window. Beautiful. Number three, location. Location, location, location. For those of you who have cruised more than once, you know this always happens at least once on a trip. It's time to get off the boat. And you're downstairs and you're getting ready to get off the boat, and you're like, I forgot something. So now you got to turn around and go up the elevator to one of your rooms on the 10th floor, the 8th floor, whatever. But now you got to fight to get an elevator for everyone who's coming down to get off the boat. Well, if you're on the Cove balcony, which is on deck 2, all you have to do is turn right around, walk right downstairs. The other thing is too is getting back on the boat, especially if you get back on the boat kind of late when everybody's coming back. Now you're stuck at an elevator waiting to get up to whatever floor you're on. Whereas if you're on the Cove deck, you just walk in and bloop, walk down in the shower, dressed, ready to go get something to drink or ready to go get something to eat. Number two is intimacy. Now, what I mean by intimacy, because I talked about it when we were watching the sunset, but the intimacy of a Cove balcony cannot be beat. Now, we were on the Cove balcony in the breeze, and right above you is an entire deck of like all the lifeboats. The way that the balcony is slanted in, you actually literally have to lean out of the balcony, stick your head out to see the other balconies. So what you can do is, so you sit there and you have this beautiful picture window, and it's just you and the water. It's just awesome. It just can't be beat. Now, the number one reason for booking a Cove balcony is the proximity to the water. The proximity to water, it cannot be underestimated. Now, the first time I booked the Cove balcony, I went and looked on all the reviews, and people were like, oh, it's good. Some people didn't like it because it was too noisy by the water and everything like that. But as soon as we started sailing and we stepped out there and you see how close the water is and the sound of the water, it is absolutely mesmerizing. And just sitting there and watching the sunset where the water looks probably like only 30 feet away from you, it is just a beautiful experience. So you have to try it. Don't rule it out. Just on one of your cruises, just suck it up get a Cove balcony. You will not be disappointed. So boom, there are my 5 reasons for booking a Cove balcony. I would like to hear from you. What are your reasons for booking a Cove balcony, or what are your reasons for not booking a Cove balcony? So yeah, please leave your comments down below, and yeah, we'll talk to you next time. And happy sailing.